Today I'm going to be showing you how to put Play-Doh on Barbie dolls. I know that sounds so weird, but it actually looks pretty neat once you're done. It looks super weird in the beginning, but it looks awesome at the end for sure. I'm so glad you're here today. So make sure you, before I start this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like this video or not. I'm excited. So, the things you'll be needing for this video today is 2 Barbie dolls or some sort of like doll that you want to dress up in. But make sure it's not like slime because it would just fall off right away, which wouldn't be good. Okay, so I'll have this Barbie doll in my 2 Barbie dolls in my hands. Right? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got them in my hands, and let me put these down right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the dolls. It looks weird when she's naked, but it's fine. We're gonna be dressing these 2 up dolls. This is a very old doll. Her hair is like wonkadoodle. And I'm just gonna be putting a skirt on right here. So it's a blue one. We have blue Play-Doh. I'm going to have 3 colors: blue, purple, and yellow in my hands. In my hand. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I have it in my hands right now, and I'm excited to get this video started. So, I'm going to be putting them on her. Is this video going? Oh. Hello! Okay, I'm going to put the camera down so you guys can see. So, yeah. Okay, guys, I have the camera down now, and I'm so excited to put some Play-Doh on this doll. We're going to start off with the Elsa doll. She has a top right here. She used to have a skirt, but I lost that because this is an old doll, and I think it's, yeah, okay. So, I am going to be grabbing the blue dough right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I have my blue Play-Doh right over here. As you can see, it says Play-Doh. It says 2 and up. So we're just going to be taking off this cap right now, and then we can get started because we have to. Well, we actually have to take out the dough, but okay. Okay, I have my blue Play-Doh right here, and I'm just going to be pressing it down. So it would be, and it has to be kind of long. Well, not like so long. Make sure it doesn't stick to the ground because that would be kind of crazy. Let me keep pushing it. Just keep pushing it up, down, up. Make sure it's like flat too, so then we have enough Play-Doh. Okay, so we have something like it. It's pretty flat, and we want to put her arms out and her hair up right there, so it's not in the way, so it doesn't stick. Well, I don't know if it sticks really. And we're just going to be like putting a curve, kind of like that. Like it's kind of pointed, because right here it shows that it's like pointed. Here, let's try putting it on, because I'm not the best at this. This is kind of challenging to do this. So I'm probably just going to maybe try to get another piece of dough to attach it right here. Even though there's no back right there, it's totally fine. So there's like a tiny bit of Play-Doh in here. I'm trying to get it out. There we go. Just roll it, and it should be able to look like that, close to that enough. We can just go ahead and attach it like this. Nobody's going to be really looking in the back, so we'll be just focusing on the front here. We're not going to make the back perfect as over here. We have to make this as good as we possibly can. The thing I'm going to try to do is do like points right here so it would look more pretty. And we can add some more dough, like on Play-Doh. I said dough. I keep saying dough. On here. So I'm probably gonna make some points right now. So yes. Wait. Okay. So I have my 2 Play-Doh and Play-Dohs. I don't know. We're just going to start with the purple Play-Doh right now. Should we do the skirt or the top? I think we should do the top first with purple. And let's just use the whole Play-Doh because it would look better. So, yeah. Let's just go ahead and put it on top of her. Okay, this looks so random, guys. I don't know why I just did that. We're probably just going to take off some. So, yeah. Maybe we could fold it back like that. It's just kind of, it's like not really working, guys. Okay, this is just gonna be like a swimsuit, like some sort of like swimsuit. I don't know. Swimsuit. Okay, we're trying to do the best we can on her. Else it might be a little bit better. We're just going to take off like a whole bunch of dough. So. Let's just use this. It's a little bit of dough. So we're just gonna, let's do the same thing as we did with Elsa's. We're gonna like try to spread it like that.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be helping my sister here. I'm just gonna help her spread it out.
Yeah, she's gonna help me spread out the dough for the top and the bottom. So
I think you should not use I think you should use like the yellow for like some cool decoration. I think you should use this for like the bottom, like for the swimsuit bottom.
So it would match the.
Yeah, so it would match. Because then it would be weird if it didn't match. So
yeah,
can I do the bottom part?
I think I'm going to do that, and you can just keep spreading it out and make the shapes for it.
Okay, so I think
sorry guys, I wasn't putting it in the camera. Okay, this is turning out fine. Oops, I did not do that.
I think you should do more of like what her like underwear looks like right now, like kind of put it like in that kind of shape. So kind of only need a little bit for this part.
Okay, I'm gonna be pointing this right now, and since my sister is spreading out the dough, we're gonna have to pause the video for now and just like try to
come back with the finished product.
Well, not the finished product. I just need to fix her top, and then my sister Libby will do the bottom.
Yeah.
And then we'll do it, and then we'll do the design with you guys. Okay?
See ya.
See ya. Okay, guys, me and my sister, we finally finished this part like that. She looks so cute. These are just some shorts. So adorable. Now we're going to be adding the designs with you guys.
Yay.
We're so excited. So
let's put her hair up because this is like gonna be like a really cool. First, let's do like the little belt.
Yeah.
With the longest strap. I think this one.
Okay. We use this right here to go around. We'll just like go ahead and attach that right there.
We're also gonna do like the little like noodle straps like right around here, you know. You can
her arms right here. You can go ahead and do that.
And then do it for the other one.
We'll go ahead and do that.
Too skinny.
It's fine.
But should we use this one?
We're fine. Wait, that is too skinny. It doesn't look good as the fatter one. So we have 2 more right here, guys. We're just going to be making some sort of bow. So we're just going to be doing like 2 loops with these.
Okay, guys, so do you like that? I think it looks adorable.
We're not done yet, though, because we got to make that bow that I wanted to do. That will look cute. Ah! This is kind of challenging to do because we're trying to make the right texture.
That's cute. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're just going to add like a little dot in the middle. It's not the best, but you know, it's okay. We're just going to try to roll up this ball here. Okay, this is not the best, but I think it's better than Elsa, way better than Elsa.
So now we can both go to the beach.
Together.
Forever.
Forever, forever, forever.
Anyways,
We gotta go, guys. Guys, thanks so much, Allie and Libby, for designing our outfits for us. Yay! We're so excited. Woohoo! Go to the beach, let's get away. Hey, what you gonna say? Hey, wait. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.